Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. I'm thrilled to be here with you today to go over the lower anchor installation for the Andi 360 rotating car seat from Maxi-Cosi. This is a part of the video where I have the disclaimer that lets you know that this is just a visual aid that is supplemental to reading your instructions for the car seat as well as reading the instructions for your vehicle. I am not ultimately responsible for the safety of your child. That is going to be your responsibility ultimately. So again, definitely encourage you and tell you need to read your car seat manual as well as your vehicle manual, and this video in no way supersedes those instructions. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's talk about how we would actually install this bad boy if we were going to use lower anchors to install it in our car. Now, the first step for this is going to be picking the location for it. So I'm not going to install this one in the center because I do not have a lower anchor connector point for my center position. I'm going to install it on the driver's side outboard position because that is where I have lower anchors. So we'll go ahead and move the seat over. And the other thing that we're going to want to do is actually get our lower anchors out and ready. So let's find them on the seat. I'm going to spin the seat around, and on the back of the seat there is a little pouch. You open up that pouch, that will pull out your lower anchors, which is pretty fabulous. We'll go ahead and set those out, and we'll turn the seat toward me. And the first step that they talk about is loosely attaching your top tether. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. This top tether is going to hook up to its tether connector point, and then I will tighten it. But I'm not going to go crazy tightening it. It just says loosely attach it. So that's what we've done. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and rotate the seat and lift it off of the base in order to have access to our belt path. Now to do that, right here where it reads squeeze to rotate, we're going to squeeze that. And then before we turn the seat, I just want to point out there's a second handle right here. I am going to squeeze that. So I will turn the seat toward me. I'm squeezing that other handle, and I'm lifting and flipping the seat backward and up. Now, as you can see, I've got my blue belt path for my lower anchors. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up my one side over here. And I will go ahead and do my lower belt path, or my lower anchor strap, excuse me. Lengthen that a little bit. And we're going to weave that through. So it comes up, and then it goes back down and over. And it will hook up to its lower anchor over on the other side. Clicks. And then all you're going to do is tighten this guy by pulling the strap as tight as you can. And so the goal here is to have this set up in a way where those windows that were red, they'll turn green. And in order to get them to turn green, we're going to have to pull on that lower anchor strap pretty darn tightly to get those windows to be fully green on both sides. So once we've got it nice and green on both sides, we'll go ahead and retighten our top tether because they want it to be a little bit tighter. So that's nice and tight. See if we can get this any tighter. And again, seats like this that have leather, they will have some slide. The other thing that I can do is I can probably sit this seat more upright, and that's definitely going to make everything tighter as well. So this guy's nice and tight. We'll go ahead and pull the seat down because I had green in both windows. And now the seat is installed. We're hitting both spots, our top tether. And remember, lower anchor for this seat will be a 30-pound limit for rear facing and 35-pound for forward facing. So once we're sitting in rear facing mode, once kiddo gets past 30 pounds, you would reinstall with a seatbelt. And again, for a forward facing mode, the lower anchors are sufficient to use up to that 35 pounds, at which point you would reinstall with seatbelt. And I do have a video showing how to install this guy with a seatbelt, so feel free to check that one out if you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. And be sure to check out our other 360 car seat videos and installation videos here on Destination Baby Kids YouTube channel. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.